How does a vape mod work? Here's a fun way to help you understand. Remember to subscribe to the Vape Wild channel for more info and fun. We're going to tell you about the 4 steps of the process. The first step is by pressing the fire button. You complete the circuit by pressing the button. This allows the energy from the batteries to travel through to the atomizer. Press, heat, vape. Booyah! The second step, energy flow. Now, when you press the power button, energy travels from the batteries to your coil. The coil resists the energy to create heat, which then vaporizes your e-liquid. The third step is the energy heating the coil. What happens is the energy transforms in the coil to heat. The more energy you have running through the coil, the hotter it gets. The fourth and final step. The vapor is produced as the direct result of this heat. Remember that energy transforming causes heat. E-liquid is then heated to an aerosol that we call vapor. Now you are chucking huge clouds, small clouds, tasty clouds, and smell good clouds. This is how a mod works, my friend. Batteries send energy to the coil by pressing the power button. That energy travels through the coil. The coil heats up so you can blow huge clouds. For more information that we didn't cover here, there is a link in the description to our blog. Subscribe for more, comment below with questions you would like us to tackle, like the video if you had some fun, and be part of our engaging community tab. See you next time.